Hi, this is the fourth video lesson of a series called 6 Types of Holiday. In this lesson, we are going to focus on an activity holiday. You're going to learn key words and phrases related to this type of holiday. An activity holiday is a holiday on which you spend your time doing an activity such as walking, canoeing, painting, or cooking. If you're looking for an active holiday, then this is the perfect one for you. You can go sailing, surfing, windsurfing, canoeing, kayaking. You can go hiking or horse riding. There are many options like mountain biking, mountain climbing. It depends on you and what you're interested in. You can also go on a cycling trip and see a new place. Traveling by bike gives you a lot of freedom and flexibility. You can see the world by bike. An adventure holiday, on the other hand, is a type of organized holiday in which people do new and exciting things, for example, a trek or a safari. Sometimes you can refer to an activity holiday as an adventure holiday. Now let's look at walking adventures. Point-to-point walking holiday. You get a travel itinerary with the places to go to on foot. Itinerary is a plan of your journey, including the route and the places that you visit. You can join a desert trek. A trek is a long walk lasting for several days or weeks. This one takes place in a desert. Wildlife walk is if you want to get a real feel for wildlife on foot. On this type of walking tour, you get closer to nature. You can go on a self-guided walking tour and pick your sightseeing stops. You also get travel notes and recommendations by the tour company. The tour company will transport your luggage between hotels, so you don't have to worry about them. If you want to relax but also enjoy an activity, then you can try a coastal walk. Coastal walking trips are popular because of the sunny weather and ocean views. Another type of trip is snowshoeing walking trip. If you want to discover a winter wonderland, then this is the perfect one for you. Speaking of walking, let's look at some phrases you can use. Walk 10 miles, walk 500 meters, walk 2 kilometers. We must have walked 10 kilometers today. Walk all the way to a place. I walked all the way to the next town, which was over 10 kilometers away. Within walking distance. That is near enough to walk to. There is a lake within walking distance of the hotel. In order to learn vocabulary, you need to use it. Answer the questions and practice using some of the words you learned in the lesson. How often do you go on an activity holiday? What activities do you like to do? Thank you so much for watching the video. You can read the lesson about types of holiday and holiday activities on our website. Go to the website and the English language blog. Search in the Travel English category. In the next video lesson, you will learn keywords and phrases about a camping holiday. Bye for now.